Your views on the cause of this live broadcast. In a global pandemic which has claimed the lives of more than 1,500 Kenyans, health workers in the country are now seemingly under siege in this fight as more and more medics lose their lives to COVID-19. KTN News spoke to the family of the latest doctor to die from coronavirus-related complications, 28-year-old Dr. Stephen Mogusu, who died on Monday after raising alarm about how healthcare workers in the country were being treated. KTN News reporter Timothy Otieno reports on the pain of yet another Kenyan family fighting sorrow and asking help from a government still struggling to cater to healthcare workers' needs.
The Kenyatta University Memorial Home is where the body of the late Stephen Mogusu lay, hours after he lost the battle to COVID-19 on Monday. And here is where we find the family of the 28-year-old medic still struggling to come to terms with the demise of their kin.
Quite tough, yeah, quite heavy for us. And at times when the news first hits social media before the family members, it really spreads. And it's a bit traumatizing to some of the family members, especially with that tweet that was shared on the comment he had written to his fellow colleagues.
The message Stephen's sister is talking about is this one, a WhatsApp text shared by Stephen days before his passing, in which he decries the manner in which medics in the country are being treated by the state. I just want to say, save your miserable selves. You live to earn again, read the text in part. A warning billowed out to other medics from one of their own who had not received a penny from his employer for 5 months.
I'm so devastated. Actually, devastated is an understatement. It really hurts, bearing in mind that I was so close to him. We were very tight. It is a very big blow to the family. Sometimes I even wish he did a different course apart from medicine. But it's okay, we cannot reverse what has happened. I am so hurt.
And the heart extends to Stephen's ancestral home in Iranda Village, Marani constituency, Kisii County, where Mogusu's mother still recalls the last conversation.
Aliniita akaniambia Masa, anapenda kuniita Masa. Akaniambia Masa, unajua nimegonjeka. Nikamuuliza nimegonjeka aje mtoto wangu. Hata sengine namuita mtoto. Akaniambia Masa, mimi nimegonjeka corona. Ni wakati aliniambia corona. Sasa sikukuwa na la kusema.
In the nearly 3 weeks Stephen had been admitted in hospital due to COVID-19, he had accumulated a medical bill of 1.3 million shillings, part of which was waived off since Stephen had no medical cover. And as his family begins preparing for the young medic's final send-off, healthcare workers in the country continue to agitate for better treatment to help combat the global pandemic. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.
As doctors, clinical officers and nurses, our frontline soldiers in the war against COVID-19 pandemic continue crying